Hey there, in this video tutorial we will learn how to auto-approve the user's requests. So why do we even need this? Let's imagine that you have a membership website and want the members of it to be able to create polls as well. But instead of approving their requests every time, you can enable the auto-approved users requests option and let them create polls freely right from the front end, without giving them access to your dashboard. To find this feature, we need to go to the General Settings page, General tab, and scroll down a little bit. Here we can see Auto Approve Users Requests option. We tick this option and save the changes. By this, all user requests will be approved and added to the polls page. In order the users can create polls right from the front end, you need to insert the request form shortcode on your desired page or a post. For that, we go to the Shortcodes tab, scroll down a little bit, and here is the request form shortcode. Let's check it on the front end. I have already pasted the shortcode in my desired post, so we go to the front page to create our poll. Here we need to click on a Submit button. As you can see, the poll has already been approved. So we go back to the dashboard, Requests page, and here we can see the poll added there.